We're out at the old White All over 263. Need tires, that's the first thing. But I was talking to some people about the parts for it. All these yellow parts, those are all parts for it that were brand new at the time. Those are duals after 1890. Those are muffler after 1890. And here she is. I believe that is the number thing I need to get to. I need to get the serial number off this and look for parts and stuff like that. I need to find a grill because I'm pretty sure a little piece is missing right here. So I need to find a grill. Bucket seems in decent, pretty shape. No holes in it, looks like. I did get this thing to turn over some by hand back in, I think, last year around April or May, so I was working on it. This thing's always been, it was way over there along that wall. It's always been out in the elements. The exhaust wasn't covered, so it's probably full of water. So gonna have to do some stuff, but that is the white 263 coming to the channel very soon. Once I get the 7.6 done. 7.6 could probably pick this thing up and drag it over there. So there's a little box that's for it. So there's the welding carts I need to finish up. Put the old Lincoln arc welder generator on there. Build a welding cart / fab cart. So catch you on the next one. Thanks.